Thank you, my dear student. Stay at home and maintain social distance and follow the health rules for the coronavirus. Dear student, let's go to see a video class. Welcome everybody. Teachers identity. I am Mohammad Kamruzzaman, assistant teacher, Gopalpur School and College, Monirampur, Jashore. Subject English second paper, class 9-10, unit 11, time 20 minutes. My dear student, follow it and read it. If you try hard, you will do it. If you try hard, you will do it. Do you say what kinds of sentence it is? It starts with it. When any sentence starts with it, what kinds of sentence is it? My dear student, okay, it is conditional sentence. Thank you. Okay, today's lesson is conditional sentence. Outcomes. By the end of the lesson, students will have learned what a conditional sentence is, learn the uses of conditional sentences, learn the kinds of conditional sentence. Look at the picture and clauses. Dear student, follow it. Look at the picture and clauses. If you go to a school, next clause, you have to complete the sentences using the clause. I have shown any other clause. If you eat vegetable, you is any other clause. At first answer will be you will learn more. If you go to school, you will learn more. Second clause, if you eat vegetable, you will be healthy. My dear student, you follow that there are two tense uses in a sentences. If plus present tense and other clause future indefinite tense. So we can make a formation that is if plus present plus future. Follow it. If plus present plus future. This is the formation known on of conditional sentence. Clear? Have you clear? Everybody try to remind it, because when you make sentences in conditional sentence, of course you have to follow the rules or formation. This is the if plus present plus future. Okay. If you went there, if you presented every class, I have two clauses in formation 2. You would meet him. You follow these sentences, the tense will be changed. At first, if plus past indefinite, and next clause use would. This is the past conditional. Past conditional means shall turn into should, will turn into would, may turn into might, etc. Now, second sentences. If you present every class, you would learn more. We use if plus past indefinite and past conditional. Past conditional means after subject we have to use would, should, may, might. Clear, my dear student? Okay. So we follow the formation. This is the formation number 2. If plus past indefinite plus future in the past. This is the formation number 2 of conditional sentence. Dear student, have you remembered before the formation number 1? In the before slide, I have discussed the formation on if plus present plus future. But in formation 2, if plus past indefinite plus future in the past, that means would, could, should, might. Okay. Now we see a clause, if I had seen him. If you had gone to college. This is the formation number 3. If I had seen him, I would have helped him. Dear student, follow this. I have used in past perfect tense. If plus past perfect, auxiliary verb use had, and the main verb will be PP. That means the past participle. And other clause will be past conditional. This is I would have, could have, should have, might have, and the main verb will be past participle. This is the condition number 3. If you follow the any other example, if you had gone to college, okay, sorry for disturbing 5 seconds. This is the tools problems. Now, if you had gone to college, you would have met me. This is the formation number 3. So we can make formation 3. If plus past perfect plus future perfect in the past. Future perfect in the past. If we analyze the clause, we see at first use if. Next clause will be past perfect. That means subject, had, and main verb past participle. This is the past perfect. Now next clause will be future perfect in the past. That means you would have met me, you would have, could have, should have, might have. And the main verb will be past participle. This is the formation norm 3. Dear student, everybody try to write down the formation, because without formation you cannot be able to complete the conditional sentence. If you write down the conditional sentence correctly, of course you have to follow the formation. Okay, if you have completed the masters, you will get a good job or you get a good job. This is if plus present perfect and other plus future indefinite or present indefinite. This is the formation norm 4. Dear student, follow the formation if plus present perfect plus future oblique present. This is the formation norm 4. So, at a glance, we see the structure of conditional sentence. Dear student, follow if plus present plus future. We have discussed in the before slide. And formation 2, if plus past indefinite plus future in the past. Do you remember future in the past? The meaning of the future in the past? Okay, my dear student. After subject, you have used would, could, should, might. Thank you. Okay. Formation number 3. If plus past perfect plus future perfect in the past. Okay, past perfect, the formation will be after subject you will use had and main verb will be past participle. Okay, next class you use future perfect in the past. That means would have, should have, could have. Okay, this is the future perfect in the past. Okay. Formation number 4. Dear student, if plus present perfect plus present oblique future. This is the formation number 4. Now, dear student, study the formation. Before slide, I have discussed the formation. I inform you before slide in 4 formation of conditional sentences. So, if we follow it, we can see at a glance. If plus present plus future. This is the formation norm on. And example will be, if you come, I shall go. If plus past indefinite plus future in the past. This is the formation norm 2. Example will be, if you work hard, you will. If you work hard, you would shine in life. This is the formation norm 2. Okay, my dear student, we see the formation norm 2. If you work hard, you would shine in life. We use past indefinite, and next class we used past conditional, that means would, could, should, might. This is the condition number 2. We are going to the next position, formation of 3 of conditional sentence. All time dear student remind it, if you try to complete the conditional sentence, of course you have to follow the okay. Formation norm 4. If plus past perfect plus future perfect in the past. Future perfect in the past. If plus past perfect plus future perfect in the past. This is the formation norm 3. This is the formation norm 3. Okay, formation number 4. If you have finished the work, you would have got a prize. This is the function number 4. Okay, dear student, everybody try to complete the sentences. I have write down 5 clause on the board serial. You have to complete the sentences using the clause by maintaining the formation of conditional sentence. Before slide, I have give you the 4 formation. That means the formation of conditional sentence. Conditional sentence now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, if you remember the formation, of course you will be able to complete the sentences. It is your individual work. Everybody try to complete the sentences on your notebook. Okay? Okay, my dear student, I will help you. The answer will be the first clause. If you read attentively, you will pass the examination. If you read attentively, you will pass the examination. We use the formation norm 1. That means if plus present plus future indefinite. This is the formation on. Okay. Now, if he goes to school, he will learn many things. We use if plus present tense and next plus will. That means the future indefinite tense. This is the first formation. If you came here, I would help you. At first, we use if plus past indefinite and next clause will be past conditional. That means after subject, would, could, should, might, and main verb will be the present form. This is the formation norm 2 of conditional sentence. Have you clear, dear student? Okay. Now, Question number 4. If you had come, you would have met him. If plus past perfect plus future in the past. Perfect, future perfect in the past. That means if plus past perfect. Model auxiliary will be had and main verb will be past participle form. And next class after subject model auxiliary will be would have, could have, should have, might have, and main verb will be past participle form. This is the formation norm 4. Okay. Next sentences. If you have finished the work, you will get a prize, or you get a prize. This is if plus present perfect plus future indefinite or present indefinite. This is the formation norm 4. So we have completed all the sentences according to follow the formation of conditional sentence. Everybody have clear? Okay, my dear student. Evaluation. I have give you 3 clauses and it is not complete sentences. You have to complete using the clause to follow the formation of conditional sentence. Okay, if you go to market, the solution will be you will make good health. If you go to market, you will make good. Okay, my dear student, you have to arrange the sentences. What kinds of sentence will be the correct of this clause? If you go to market, which clause will be the correct one? Yes, this is the answer. You will buy a shirt. If you go to market, you will buy a shirt. This is the answer of this question. Okay, next. If you cut the trees, if you cut the trees, what will be the answer? You would not get any kinds of wood. Okay. If you knew the phone number, you would call him. Next, if you had gone there, you would have seen him. This is the correct answer of the clauses. Okay, my dear student, I give you the homework. Everybody write down on your khata. Make the 5 sentences use of conditional sentence formation. Everybody have to write 5 sentences and you have to use the formation of conditional sentences. After next class, I have discussed other grammar. Now I have completed and thank you everybody. Goodbye, my dear students.